This is a developer. They need to refactor their code from legacy to modern language. And they need to generate code that is tailored to their company's proprietary code base. They've been given this direction from their manager with a tight timeline. The developer knows how long and exhausting the process of modernizing can be to save money and time. But they suddenly remember they've heard about Duet AI in Google Cloud and decide to use it to help them write better code fast, debug errors, and create reliable and scalable functionality for their company's website. Let's observe this developer as they use Duet AI to simplify the task at hand. First, the developer opens up VS Code and navigates to a database connection function that connects their front-end website to their back-end product database. It's written in C++, and they're hoping to migrate it to Go. We now see the developer open Duet AI within VS Code and type their conversion request in the chat window. The developer is thrilled to be able to make this request in natural language. By typing in the phrase, "convert this function to Go" and use Cloud SQL, it is able to understand the context and function being referenced, all without leaving the IDE and without having to context switch. And just like that, a converted function appears. The function referenced has now been converted from C++ to Go. Our developer is in awe. Not only did Duet AI convert the code, but it also understood that their Postgres connection needed to be converted to a Cloud SQL database. And since Duet AI is trained on Google Cloud-specific products and best practices, the developer feels confident with this conversion and reviews the code generated. Next, our developer wants to generate some code using Duet AI. They write a comment in natural language, explaining the function they'd like to create. And after typing out the comment, they click the magic wand, and ta-da! Duet not only generated the function for them, but also pulled in specific product-related APIs, functions, and methods from their company's SDK and codebase. We now see our developer celebrating. They are in awe of all the time, money, resourcing, and training hours they've saved without sacrificing quality. And all thanks to Duet AI. What's this? They got a new email to start working on a new project that requires them to develop a new product filtering feature to improve customer experience. They are excited to get on this new project. Now that they know about Duet, they open VS Code, and instead of writing the function themselves, they simply write a comment in natural language, click on Duet AI, and Duet generates the code for them. Looking at this response, their jaw is on the floor. Not only did Duet AI generate code, but you can see that Duet pulled in very specific methods and functions from their company's code base. This is huge. Typically, writing such code would require them to look up these functions, which would take a lot of time. With Duet's understanding of their company's SDK and code, they have saved time, resources, and training hours, all without compromising quality. Our developer would like to get a deeper understanding of this code, so they select the code and click on Explain. Duet opens the chat window explaining this code. Great! Now that the function is all set, they are ready to write a test case. Duet AI comes to the rescue yet again. They click on Generate Test Cases, and Duet generates a test. They create a test case file, and it all seems to work. Our developer is then able to copy and paste the test file in the editor from chat. They are happy. No context switching needed for this task. What a time saver. Our developer is ready to push their changes to production and asks Duet AI how to deploy their application. Success! Time to celebrate. Our developer was able to quickly generate code, deploy, and generate tests, all without leaving their development environment. And with all that time saved, they can now finally get around to finishing their craft project. Thanks, Duet AI. What will you build?